Hi! Welcome back to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. If you're new to my channel, please check my previous videos about Abu Dhabi and Switzerland. Yes, we've been lucky to survive the hard lockdowns here in Auckland, New Zealand. And now we're ready for more travels, adventures, and other things to show you. We've been traveling around New Zealand since September 2020 because we are COVID-free in the community. This is the 5th video on our Wellington travel series. Please check my other previous videos. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you the grounds. No, not that ground. But the surroundings inside the Parliament complex. Here are the Parliament buildings. And this is the Parliament Library. It may look like a church, but it's actually a Parliament Library. And it was completed in 1899. This library has a Gothic Revival style of architecture. This library was formerly known as the General Assembly Library, and this is the oldest of the extant buildings in the parliamentary complex. Para po talaga siyang simbahan, ano po? At ito po yung katumbas ng Malacanang sa Pilipinas. Yes, pwede po kayong mamasyal dito. There are public tours run daily on the hour from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's best if you could book a tour online, as a group size is limited to 18 people. So go to a website, parliament.nz. But since there is no international tourists because of the pandemic, so you can just pop in and ask around. And this one in front of us is the Beehive. It is so called because of its shape. It's like a traditional woven form of beehive. Don't you think so? And yes, this parliamentary complex is big enough for you to relax and have your family with you. The kids can enjoy the mini playground inside. Since New Zealand is a peaceful country, so there are no needs for security guards. You can come inside, have some exercise, and have your kids with you. But of course, there is always a CCTV around. Yung iba po, lumalakad dito shortcut papunta sa trabaho nila. Kasi nga naman, mas maganda yung view kaysa sa labas na puro sasakyan, di ba po? And yes, even outside the Parliament buildings, you can still have some place here to relax and just admire the surroundings. You can also enjoy the birds chirping and do some people watching. And it was a Monday morning, so there's some people are just walking to their offices or workplaces. Yes po, wala pa pong traffic. So while we're there, we did some photo ops. Now we bring you along to this other side. Let's go. Yes, this is the harbor side along going to the port. Makikita nyo sa di kalayuan, di ba, yung mga cargo. And this building houses some offices and restaurants down below. Now we have to cross the street and discover some more places. here we are to Wellington Railway Station. And yes, there is a supermarket inside para sa mga taong nagmamadali bagong umuwi. And sino ang customer? Meron ding ibon. Wellington Railway Station was opened in June 1937. Because it's not peak hours, so there are just a few passengers around. There is also an extension to go to the city buses. It's similar to Zurich. And on the way back to our hotel, and this is one of the residential houses. Just an old house probably built in the 18th century. Salamat po sa mga umabot sa dulo. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.